Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to properly hold your buckle to your leather when making a Birkenstock horizontal slide. So first you create some perforations on the leather where the buckle will be held to the leather. Now this perforation or holes should be created from both ends of the center of the buckle to ensure the buckle is firm to the leather. Now when punched in between, it becomes movable and tend to alter the pattern fitting. Now a lot of shoemakers prefer this method, but I won't completely condemn it, but I feel it's best you work with this method which I'm showing you. Now once the perforation is done, you can start sewing your buckle to the leather. Now when sewing, it's advisable to start sewing from the top of the buckle and not from inside the lining. Now when you sew from the top of the buckle and not inside the lining, you hide the knotted end of the sewing and not under the lining, where it becomes visible and tend to create discomfort to the person wearing it. Now just like you see me do, I'm about to knot. Now you knot your first knotting that after stitching. Now after you knot your first knotting, you knot the second but not completely. Then you put a little drop of super glue on the first knotting before knotting the second. Now this helps the knotting to be firm and not to lose over time. Now once that is done, you cut the excess thread and you can use a lighter or a matchstick to burn. Now after burning, you use your hand to smoothen the burnt area. Now you see me inserting my strap to ensure to check if the knotting is visible on the strap. Now you see the knotting is invisible, and also it isn't visible underneath the lining. So now this is a clean job. So and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and keep practicing your craft. See you in the next video.